Hi guys, this is Brenda again. I'm trying to do a review on this mini electric chainsaw from Saker. I guess that's how you say their name. I've already taken the saw out. I was just going to show you what came in the box with it. Of course, you got your instruction booklet and you got the tools for tightening your chain. You got a little plug-in for the battery. And then they sent some little oil. I've already oiled it because I've been using it some this morning. This is the saw. It's a 4-inch blade. It comes with the battery pack. It just slides on and off. There's your charger port for plugging it in. So let's see how this works. I've done a few things this morning, but I had to wait on the noise to kind of die down around here a little bit to see. And this is a little bit noisy, so let's see how well it does. Okay guys, so far I've been cutting about, I don't know, 1 inch or so limbs. It's a pretty good size limb here. And it's cutting it without any problem. So I would say, especially for a woman, this saw is great for trimming up trees around your place, for mowing, or just to trim up. On this saw, it's got the little push button here. You have to hold it down to start it, and then push your button. Once you push the button, you can let go of that button, and it's got the little safety guard. So I would say it's a winner. Check them out, see what you think. Saker mini electric chainsaw. Thanks guys. I'm going to get back to work now, so we'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye.